Get this kit and more from Uncle Chen Workshop. The links of his Facebook page and Shopee in the description down below. Welcome back to RZ Customizer, and this week I'm going to review another item by Snail Shell Company. But before that, let's throw back on my previous Snail Shell reviews. The links are in the description down below. This is the main figure of GN Wolf 001. This is a Snail Shell GN Wolf dress set in this one black box, and this is GN Wolf 001 armor and weapon set. And the one that I want to review today is inside this package. I got this from Uncle Chen Workshop. Thank you so much, Uncle Chen, for sponsoring me. So let's open up this package. Inside we have this thing here with a card like this, and at the back there are some info in Chinese and Japanese. So this is actually a GN tactical mantle cloak for GN Wolf 001. A long style of cloak made by cotton linen type of fabric, and optional accessories for a GN Wolf armor design. Check out the details on this mantle. Some kind of a brushing here. See? Some dirt and torn effect to make it looks real. And this side too. So at the back there's a very tiny wire inside, and also at this side too, very flexible. And this is a tiny clip button, so easy to be open up like this. See? Also at this part there's a tiny wire too. So to put on the mantle for GN Wolf 001 is pretty simple. Just open up the clip and then put it back again like this. Here we go. So that's it, a simple way to do it. For the design, it looks pretty awesome, but too bad there's no hoodie at the back here. This is not a hoodie. It's pretty short for a hoodie. Too bad they didn't design it that way. For the length of this mantle, it fit right enough for GN Wolf 001 to cover up the whole body, and this is for 1/12 scale and the view from every angle. Still, it looks pretty awesome. I really like this one to be added to your GN Wolf 001. But this mantle is supposed to be used for GN Wolf 001 armor mode, as we have right here. And to put on the mantle, you need to take off the hat because her hair is pretty long, and put it back again until we have something like this. Here we go. So this is the full rotation view. In her armor mode, she looks pretty tall, but the mantle fit enough to cover up her body, and yeah, it looks pretty cool to me. A very cool design. It looks like a wolf, a lone wolf in the desert. Pretty awesome. And how about we put on the mantle to other plastic model kit like we have right here. This is the Bandai Figurized Standard Ayame. Well, she's a ninja and wearing this mantle here, but still it fits enough for this scale here. Over this is 1/144 scale. And the next one is the Kotobukiya Megami device. This is the Bullet Knight launcher, so she's pretty small. And this one is the Kotobukiya Frame Up Skill Ino Sentia. and this is also about the same size and the same scale as the GN Wolf 001. And the next one is the new one, Kotobukiya Sosai Shoujo Teien, but well, she's in schoolgirl outfit, so not fit enough. This one is the Aoshima variable fighter girl, and this looks pretty cool to me. The next we have the Megami device, Asura Ninja, and yeah, she looks fine with this mantle. And of course with her sister here, Megami device, Asura Archer, pretty nice too. It fits enough for this Megami device scale. And the next one is, yes, this is a Fremam's girl, Sylphie. Her scale is pretty small, so but still she can wear this mantle, just her height is just not fit enough for that. And I know you guys are asking for Gunpla, and we have here the high grade RX 78, and it looks pretty ridiculous because we cannot see the head. The head is pretty small, the neck is pretty short, and it's not suited enough for this type of mantle. I don't know if we can replace it with other Gunpla just about this scale, and maybe because of this design is pretty short. So here's just the review for Gunpla. That's all the review for this mantle Cloak by Snail Shell. You can get this from Uncle Chen workshop, Malaysian market only. And for international, don't worry, you can get this from Ami Japan. The links are in the description down below. So that's all the review for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys next time. Ciao. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Facebook RZEZ Customizer and my Instagram RZEZ. The links are in the description down below. I do customizing, I do kit bashing, reviews, tutorials, and many more, because here we build, we share, and we're inspired. See you guys next time. Ciao.